give me a prompt that describes such an intent more technically. Okay, describes such intent more technically and completely. Okay, let's see what you say. Right. So from there, I already have some ideas here to say, first create a data bank, convert all these papers into the data bank. So you see, you will have a structure. It's already working at it. It said certification exam generated application. You get what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Have an intelligent exam generation system. It creates adaptive, realistic OCGP Java. By the way, this is it. So I do again. You see how nice it. Tengok berapa cepat dia buat. Dalam 1-2 jam aja. Now you can do any system in the world ni, Anis. You can just get any job. But actually others also can do that, Anis. So there's no real advantage. You may be a bit faster, but people catch up with you, faham tak? Budak-budak pun boleh catch up with you. Faham tak?
If they know about AI and know how to.
Oh, which statement is true? Itu saja. All records are mutable. Generates equals. Okay, this one. Correct. Ni. It's working, ni.
Yay.
Why it give only B? Oh, it only give you the answer. Which output the for good. Oh, so previous. It only give you this a training mode. Nampak tak? Kalau start exam mode, dia bagi you choose. Okay? Faham tak, Anis? Submit. There.
Wow.
Yeah, this is it. It works. It works.
Amazing. Yeah.
Look at that. And app, remember, yesterday I got the idea. A light bulb lights up in my head. Then I say that, wow. Let me wait a minute. Are you excited, Ani? I'm so excited.
Yeah, I am excited. That's so good.
Look at it. I mean, this is cool. This is, imagine kita susah-susah nak buat exam kan? We just do this.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, just look at this. You can review answers. You know?
Yeah.
Score. Result fail. Oh, I answer one incorrectly. It's okay. See, it has a timer. What's that? 1949.
What is that?
Okay, never mind. It's sort of working. Let's import. So you just generate. Okay, I'll just give this. Okay. I'll just say it works. Then it says generate. Remember? Your mom is up?
Yeah. I was.
Okay.
Cat.
Tell her that. So excited lah.
Yeah.
Then run this. How does this work? So I like to look at how create question bank shell. Okay. I like to see how this thing works. Where is the scripts?
Do we paste the
Tak
question?
ada. No, the question kat mana? Tak ada. Can't find the script. Seems to work. Thanks. Okay, it seems to work. Thanks. But I cannot find the exam. I cannot find Maybe the earlier creation script forgot, though I did run it. Please review from project knowledge. Okay, let's see. Wow, you happy, Anis? This is unbelievable. Imagine what you can do now. Okay.
Everything.
Yeah, anything. So what you need to do anything? That's the question. What you
Just
need.
a good idea.
Yeah. You
Maybe
need,
we can customize it into
yeah,
a
but
something
before
game
even
more
doing this,
normal.
could you have done this all on your own without Sifu up here? That's the question. So what's the difference
No.
between me and you? The knowledge, the understanding. Okay, that's what I meant by usul, falsafah. You appreciate what is background. Okay. So ini belum
Yeah.
created lagi. What will you say? Question bank script, but just curious. Can you describe how the script, you found that, and it goes through the mock artifacts to do that? The exams, kan? You like it to explain you that's the most valuable thing about AI tau Anis. Dulu as a programmer, I just copy and paste without understanding what is done because there's no expert around.
Yeah.
So it's how it does it. Okay, now it's clearer. So okay, we read this, develop an intelligent generation system, adaptive, realistic. You see, it gives the proper prompt. You see what I mean? A structured question bank with dynamic question selection, right? Database schema, question, methods, adaptivity, content balancing, duplicate prevention, weakness targeting. Wow, you can even identify your weakness, exam simulation engine. Okay, it mimics environment. 20 question, progress tracking. Um, User handling, question storage, relational database, security. Are you doing right away the app? I just want a proper specs first to commit to project knowledge before to deliberate further. A proper specs. Okay. Let's. I hope it's not hallucinating. Let me create a document first. You can review, refine. Yeah. Create a minimal portable single HTML application, simulate the blah 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 should be easily displayed as a zip file. Single, we embedded CSS script. I want to add things to it. App loads in under 3 seconds, work in 90%. No dependency. Under 22 megabyte, including all questions. Okay. Let's discuss first. Do not generate further any artifact. Okay, we don't need to change things. Do not or change question from a question bank. How large would so I was asked how large will the question bank be? Can we have? Do you want immediate feedback? For example, like can we have training mode where the answer is shown right away? So, to a question. So they'll simulate mock exam 200, realistic 100. Total, you have a 300 high quality question. 100 question allows 2 unique full exams. Optimal, full size impact. Okay, boom. That's because later I will ask it, don't give this option yet, but at least I put it in a spec. So now it's giving it in a spec. Okay. So isn't this cool, Ernest? Now you see how you can use AI. So
Yeah.
let's say you get a job. You don't have to worry if you know how to use the AI, it will help you with your job. You'll be a better programmer. You know how to program and you know how to make an application. Okay. An AI assisted programmer. So there's a saying that you won't lose your job to AI, but you'll lose your job to someone who knows how to use AI. All right. So you see, it is giving everything. Hot replacement, exhausted bank with fresh ones. You know. So complex for a start, for later. So I'm discussing first. Okay. Let's see. So you should take my instruction, right? It's a robot. So let's discuss. I can outline. Okay. You say you can outline. See? File structure creation. You will create, or touch means create a file. It's called touch. Make the question bank. Single, training mode, no timer. No timer. Do we have a timer? But should I ask you to use HTML or Java?
Uh,
No, wait. Before I do that, keep discussing. Can it be generated? Can the app be using Java on SQLite instead? And I can then view the source from my Eclipse on Ubuntu machine instead, and I can then view the source from my Eclipse on Ubuntu machine. I view, okay. Let's see whether it's simple or not. Yes, absolutely. Java based using would be much more aligned and give you full development visibility. You see, the temptation here, and this is that sometimes we get too ambitious and make it do lots of things. So what should we do, Anis? What do you think? Should I say just do this now, or should I get ambitious and say since it's so powerful, let's squeeze it, let's make it a lot of things? What would be your approach? What do you?
maybe we can do this first because it won't be overwhelming.
Very good idea. That is one thought, but hey, it's not expensive. You know what I mean? It's just a few keystroke in a few minutes. We got all this. See. So you make another artifact now. Very interesting. Huh? This AI, it can understand your language, right? It does exactly. And they are competing in the world because if AI cannot really do this, then it's not the $1 trillion industries now. It must really do real work, not for fun, like generating image. Like now they're trying to do Hollywood movie. You know, and it's how difficult it is to replace a Hollywood movie because it can hallucinate. Suddenly the character change. Suddenly it forgot the storyline 10 minutes ago. So to be coherent to a script, you must divide out probably the actors, the scenery, the costume, the story, the script, the screenplay as a real Hollywood movie that take millions of dollars. So now imagine doing this just with some prompt. Okay, we are approaching that if you are watching online. that's happening. The world is approaching truly singularity. It's jumping. Singularity means first it's point of no return. Secondly, it's much smarter than the whole world put together. If it's the whole world put together, so it's much smarter than anyone, at least in Merlot. So you already have this supplementary, okay? Exhausted. He has a memory. He's putting into this. I'll start a new chat because his memory get overloaded. You will hallucinate after some time. I don't want that to happen. Right. Without generating artifact, please review the last two documents to do the exam simulator app to see if they need to be edited. This artifact. Okay. That's it. Okay. So this is the one, version 2.0. See, it's going to be very complex. So for today, sorry, today, Friday, Jumat ni, if I reach Kelantan, evening I'll be showing this movie lah. Kasi itu ada movie, kita tengok. Sekarang kita nak buat app tu. Alright? That'll be the idea. Or maybe I'm too tired, I'll just postpone it to Sunday. Look at him. Okay? So I don't have to go to Kota Baru. And then I want Jeffrey also expecting me in Kota Baru, Mona Lisa. Right there. So is generating things. Is generating things. All right. Okay. You remember everything, you see? Okay. Educationally valuable. All right. So you already done this. I'm going to commit this. See, it's the same with all this structure given.